I have done internship in the SmartBridge. Later, I have placed into one of the prestigious company. I have joined to the internship. Then they were asked to build our own project. So at first it was like little difficult, but later I have achieved it with the help of my team. I would say SmartBridge work culture is like so good, mainly the team bonding. So when I was doing internship, the main support I got is from my team. We all used to build up projects together, learn together. SmartBridge is like a main thing that was starting in my career of this corporate life. So here I have learned the team bonding, how should I respect my seniors and how should I deal with the colleagues and other employees and everything. And also here the main thing is will not just be dealing with my team but also with the other teams also. So that's how I started my career, so I'll remember it forever.